Are you ready to step back in time? Today, we're diving into Asakusa, Tokyo's charming old district. If you're looking to experience a slice of traditional Tokyo amidst the modern hustle, Asakusa is where you'll find it. Asakusa area is famed for its historical vibe, traditional shops, and the iconic Senso-ji Temple. Here is a fun tidbit to impress your friends. Senso-ji, Tokyo's oldest temple, dates back to 628. Legend has it that two fishermen found a statue of the Cannon goddess while fishing in the Sumida River. Even though they tried to return the statue to the river, it kept reappearing. That's how Senso-ji came to be, and it's been a spiritual hub ever since. As you walk through the Kaminarimon Gate, you'll be greeted by the giant red lantern that is a symbol of Tokyo. This gate marks the entrance to Nakamize Street, a lively shopping street where you can pick up traditional souvenirs, snacks, and street food. Don't miss out on trying some fresh, crispy ninjōyaki, the small cakes filled with sweet wet bread paste. Asakusa Shrine, also known as Asakusa Jinja, stands as a calm oasis on the east side of the Senso-ji Temple. This Shinto shrine is a place where tradition and tranquility meet, providing a soothing break from the busy urban environment. Here is a tip to enhance your visit. Take part in the traditional purification ritual at the water basin near the entrance. It is a simple yet meaningful way to prepare yourself spiritually before entering the shrine. Just scoop some water with the ladle, wash your hands, and rinse your mouth. If you're around in the evening, the area transforms into a beautiful, less crowded place where you can enjoy a quiet stroll and perhaps catch a glimpse of locals enjoying their evening rituals. The illuminated temple and lanterns provide a magical atmosphere perfect for evening photos. I recommend going during the annual Senja Matsuri, held in May. It is one of the most famous festivals here, featuring lively processions and vibrant celebrations. And before you go, consider making a wish or writing a prayer on an ema, wooden plaque, and hanging it up at the shrine. It is a lovely way to connect with a tradition and perhaps make a special wish for yourself or someone dear. So whether you're here to marvel at historical sites, enjoy traditional snacks, or just soak in the old world charm, Asakusa is a fantastic destination. Do not forget to capture your journey and tag us at Pocket Explorer. Au revoir and keep exploring!